Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Tapo app regions and account linking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Tapo app regions and account linking, start by opening the Tapo app on your mobile device. Log in to your existing Tapo account. Navigate to the More section in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Account Settings from the menu options. Here, you'll find the Region option. Tap on Region to view your current settings. Choose the new region you'd like to switch to from the list. Confirm your selection by tapping on Confirm. Next, you'll need to unlink. Go to the Devices section and select each device you want to unlink. Tap on Device Settings within each device's menu. Select Unlink Device to remove it from your account. After unlinking, go back to the More section. Tap on Share Device to share devices with your new account. Enter the email address of the account you want to link. Once shared, log out of your existing account. In the app's main screen, tap on Login. Now, log in using the new account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Shared Devices section. You will see the devices shared from your previous account. Tap on each device to finish the linking process. Finally, confirm that all devices are functioning properly in the new region. Your Tapo app account and devices should now be successfully transferred to the new region. You have completed the process of transferring Tapo app regions and account linking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.